up, YouTube? Y'all, want y'all check this out? We're leaving. We're leaving the shipyard now. We got the boat fixed. We got the boat fixed, and we're going to New Orleans, and then we're gonna leave New Orleans and we're going to Mobile. Did I have that upside down? I'm gonna show y'all where I'm finna hang out for this little ride. Cables, these are called 35s. They weigh like 140 pounds a piece. These are called straps. They're about 75 pounds a piece. You got your bull ropes and your ratchets. These are your ratchets. They're about 100 pounds. Well, we got to use that all day to build tow and stuff like that. But check out all these cranes. Do I got any boogers? This is where I'm gonna sit for my little ride. It's gonna take about a day to get there. We go about 10 miles an hour, and it's gonna be sometime in the morning before lunch before we get there. But yeah, so y'all take y'all along for this. I got a little paint on me from painting today, but I'm gonna take y'all along for this little ride right quick. That big crane. Oh, and don't smoke. Smoking is a bad habit. Look at that, that's an old casino. It used to be a floating casino, and they're scrapping it now. Called the Jubilee Casino. It used to be a floating casino. But the way it works is we work watches. We work either a 6-hour watch or a 12-hour watch. So one person will work for 6 hours while the other person takes a break or goes to sleep, and then vice versa. Same way on a 12-hour watch. Look at that crane. That's a big ass crane. That's old Mike Howard. And we're gonna go through the swamp in a little while. It'll be nighttime and the gators will be out. But if I see some alligators in the morning, I'll try to take some pictures. Y'all check out my Instagram, Justin Sanders. Look me up on Facebook. Y'all can do that if you want to. My Instagram's the best one though. But I hope y'all enjoyed this YouTube video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tug Life.